Hi, I'm Mike Brown. The company that I currently work for is a company called ZAPS Technology. It's a product that uses optical science to look at water, all forms of water in wastewater, drinking water, river water, seawater. And we hired Softeq to help us take our prototype software that was designed with another piece of software called LabVIEW and convert it from a prototype software to a production level software. And this software was across the whole gamut. So we had machine level codes all the way to web user interface software that Softeq helped us partner with our development team within our research group to convert the software from prototype to production. I learned about Softeq somewhere around 16 years ago when I was working at Compaq Computers. We hired them to help us develop software for our printers and our all-in-one products that we were developing. So I've known Chris and Softeq for quite a few years. I selected Softeq because Softeq has always been able to deliver a quality product. It was a pretty easy choice for me because when I established criteria in the Compaq days, we were able to outline a schedule. Chris and his team were able to talk about the schedule, make suggestions, push the schedule around, and then deliver a product that just worked very well, very cleanly, and even made suggestions on how to improve the look and feel of the product. What was interesting about Chris and his team is that we may ask for a certain product feature, and as the development goes along, you may discover that this product feature might cause us problems or conflict. And Chris was able to push back with our development team and suggest alternative approaches. So that's not found too often necessarily in software support organizations where they're basically just trying to, meet the requirements. In this case, it's meeting the requirements and actually understanding the product and suggesting alternatives. So what was kind of neat about this was that we actually were able to work the alternative hours, where I think Minsk, Belarus in this case is something like 9 or 10 hours ahead of our time, and they're able to do the work, post information. Our software team was able to look at it, make changes, make suggestions, and get it back. At the same time, because it was successfully going pretty well, we were able to ship a product over to Minsk, and we actually sent a developer over and lived with the software team for something like 2 months so that they'd be able to coordinate our communication and our efforts. And that actually worked out very well. There was no conflict, and it seemed to be a pretty smooth endeavor. In this case, the product was worked on, was developed, was delivered, and the results were excellent, and we've been able to move forward and make additional improvements. So, of course, I would easily and clearly recommend Softeq to anyone who wants to develop a product or technology. When especially if you're looking at difficult problems from firmware to even all the way up to as simple as web user interfaces. So, thanks very much.